Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. If there ever was a code name for a swingers club, this would be it, along with the pineapples and the keys in bowls. And before anyone asks, no, I've neither attended or worked at a swingers club. But if there ever was a bar in these places, what would they make? My money is definitely on the disco drinks. Let's focus on the actual topic before I dig a deeper hole for myself or come across like a politician caught in a scandal. This drink has been explained as a tiki-fied daiquiri, so please keep watching if this is the kind of drink you like. The ingredient lineup: rum, I've gone for the 3-year El Dorado, which is a Demerara rum, which I always like using daiquiris, but by all means go for something older if you want to. Dry Curaçao or triple sec, Velvet Falernum, which I always think sounds like it's named after some really cheesy rock band from the 1970s, and fresh lime juice. Let's kick off the proceedings with 2 ounces of 60 ml of rum. Add half an ounce of 50 ml of Velvet Falernum. Then add 1/4 ounce of 7.5 ml of dry Curaçao. Lastly, add 3/4 ounce of 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. The Royal Bermuda Yacht Club first appeared around 1941 in Crosby Gage's Cocktails Guide and Ladies' Companion. Named after a club which is frequented by British officers, this recipe is in the trade of X-Specs. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass, then garnish with a lime wheel. The taste test. I really like this one. You get a sweet, spicy complexity between the rum and the falernum, which also gives a pronounced citrus taste to complement the lime. The Curaçao grounds it with some dryness. This drink is great, especially if you don't want the hassle of tiki drinks with tons of ingredients, or you want to move on from daiquiris. Give this drink a try because this will definitely be the drink for you.